Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Hi family, welcome to the vlog. In today's vlog, I'm going to be showing you a lot of my day-to-day activities, and today I have a lot going on, so I decided to pick up the camera and vlog. Today is actually Nadia's picture day. A lot of you know that Nadia started school and she has been really loving it, and she has been really doing good, and today just happens to be picture day. She's really excited. Her hair is done. She picked out her favorite outfit. I had an outfit that I wanted to put on her, but she really liked this one. Nadia is really into pink, and she loves pink. So as long as the outfit makes sense, I can let her go with it, because at the end of the day, she's the one wearing it, and if she feels comfortable, she's gonna feel confident, and she's gonna be happy, especially because today is picture day. I wanted her to wear something she was comfortable and happy in. So this is the outfit she chose for the day. So we are just getting her ready, and then after she gets ready, she likes to go downstairs and drink milk. Nadia drinks a cup of milk every single morning before she goes to school. She's not really a morning eater. She's not even a big eater. She's a very picky eater. But her milk, she does not miss her milk. So she has a glass of milk, and then she heads to the bus stop. Sometimes I'll walk her to the bus stop. Sometimes her dad will walk her to the bus stop, or her grandmother will walk her to the bus stop.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Alright, so I'm headed to Mercedes-Benz to pick up my car. I dropped my car off a few days ago because there was apparently a recall. So there is something they had to fix, and it's free of charge. I don't have to pay anything, so that is the great part. So I dropped it off. They did their thing, and today's the day to pick it up. And we are actually getting ready to celebrate Grandma's birthday, my mom's birthday, who is also Nadia's grandma. Fun fact, Nadia's grandma and her dad have the exact same birthday. They are both Virgos. Got my car. I'm going down to pick it up. So we're gonna go do mom's nail. Where'd she go? Okay, there she is. My car. Mom and I are gonna wait. Where'd she go? There she is. Say hi. Hi. So, ooh, look at that. You see that? That is a G-Wagon. That's a black G-Wagon. I liked white cars, but that's a nice one. That one is my car. Well, the same version, but this one, this is nice. I like that. We like that. So we are going to go and do mom's nails. We made it back home. I had to rush home and pick up Miss Nadia. Come here, Nadia. So her bus gets here. Her bus drops her right in front of our house. and somebody has to be there to pick her up, an adult. So we had to drop everything we were doing, come back to the house, get her, and now we're gonna go back to do grandma's nails for grandma's birthday, right?
Yeah.
Come here. Come say hi. Come on. Are you shy? Are you being shy? She's being shy. Say hi, family.
Hi, family.
Show your dress. Is this a princess dress?
Yeah.
Turn around. Nadia loves her princess dresses. Every dress is a princess dress, by the way.
What is yellow?
It's yellow. What's on your tongue? What's on your tongue, girl?
My tongue turned orange.
I know, but what is it? Is it, ew, and she's digging her nose. What is it? What turned your tongue orange?
I didn't go on the Fanta.
You drank orange Fanta? All right, so yeah, so this is, turn around, let them see your dress. You gotta show the outfit of the day. There you go, outfit of the day. Turn around, turn. Outfit of the day. Show your shoes. I really like these shoes. These are called jelly. Here, lift your leg, mama. Whoa. Okay, these are the jellies. They're so cute. They're super pink, like mommy's nails, right? And then Nadia always wears something under her dress. Whenever we wear a dress, we're ladies, so we have to put something underneath, right? Right? What do we have underneath?
There's shorts.
Yes. Whenever we wear dresses, we always wear shorts. And then when we wear dresses, we cross our legs when we sit down, right? Can you show them how to cross your legs when you sit down?
Okay.
Okay. Stop digging your nose, girl. Silly. All right. Cross your legs. There you go. That's how a lady sits. You got to cross your legs like a big girl and a lady. Stop digging your nose, silly butt. Okay. Can we go tell Grandma we're ready to go do her nails?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go do Grandma's nails. Grandma, where are you? All right, so you guys want to see my outfit of the day? Ask no further. I'm wearing these high-waisted dressy pants. They're flare at the bottom, and then they fit really nicely. I really like them. We went to Macy's. We got Grandma's outfit that's actually Mommy's dress. But we got Grandma a cute outfit for her birthday. But this dress is Mommy's. I like neutral, and it was on sale too. But hold on, let me show y'all. I love neutral colors, and I love the elegant styles. So this dress, it's a really cute dress, is by International Concepts, I guess, Inc. Look at that, so cute. And it comes with a belt, a gold belt. It's linen fabric, super cute, and is a size small. So let's see how much it was originally. Originally, this was $115. Look at that. It was $115, and then I ended up getting it for $34. That is a steal. This is a really nice, expensive looking dress for that cheap. And I didn't even go buy anything for myself. I went to get my mom her birthday dress. She got a nice red. I'm not gonna tell you guys are gonna see, but it's really nice. But anyway, this is the outfit of the day. Let me turn around in the mirror. That's what it looks like. It's really cute. And I got my deodorant on my shirt. I gotta go wipe that off. Let me turn the camera around. By the way, that's Nadia's fingerprints. She's always in this mirror. But yeah, that's the outfit. And I was wearing heels. So that's what it looks like. It gives me a nice little curve in the back. It's all black. I don't know why I'm wearing all black. Nadia, come here. Come here, come show your outfit. Come show your full dress. Come on, quick, hurry up. There you go, there's my princess. And we got the shorts on. Always wear shorts, right?
Sure.
Under dress. And yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Let's go get Grandma's nails done. Let's go.
Which nail do you want?
show this to Grandma so she can pick one. That one behind you. That one behind you. This one. Go show it to Grandma. Which one I want? I want red. This.
No.
No, let her choose.
You lose.
Over here. I haven't seen. Sorry. Does it have massage?
Yeah.
Nadia.
Put up your pen. Put your purse over there. Yeah.
You want to do anything today? Just for her, huh?
Yeah, it's her birthday.
Oh, birthday!
Okay, thank you. Nadia, sit next to Grandma. You need help?
You can stand up, it's okay. You can get up there.
Lay back and put a massage on. You don't have to, unless you want to. Titi's chilling. Grandma's getting her feet done. I'm just waiting. I'm just sitting here chilling. So we are here at the birthday party. We have some of my mom's grandkids. I have my sister here, my cousin. We have all the grandbabies, and we are just gonna have dinner, celebrate Mom, and just show her some love.
I pray for long life. My mother today I'm my birthday. And they will come to join the whole world. They can't stay in this world before you can know. Everything that you will do, make you put your mind there and walk a fun. Make you know the Torah. Make your yes be yes.
Yeah, no, be no.
And we go live my Yeah, thank you so much. Happy birthday, Grandma. Happy
All right, family, thank you for spending the day with us. This was a fun-filled day, at least for my family and I. We had an amazing time celebrating Grandma, and we really hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. If you did, please comment your favorite part of today's video, and also please be sure to let me know what you want to see next. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.